We are here in Horsham for the World Championship Seagull herding, and we're just waiting for the first entrant. It's Matilda. She's the current world champion Seagull herder. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, lovely move there, lovely move. She's getting them up in the air. Yes, yes, there we are. More in the air. Yes, it's fantastic. Look at the way she moves them across the pitch. Yes, it's splendid. Come by, yes. Oh, what a lovely move. What a lovely move. She's taking pride of place. Oh, yes. She's managed to get the brown one there as well, which is an extra 10 points. What finesse.